Hello guys and welcome to a new tutorial with the Nubian Tech Tips. Today I'm going to show you how to fix alarm clock Xtreme not going off. Well, the first thing that you're going to do, you're going to hold on the app like that, and then you're going to go to app info. Then you're going to go to power usage details. You're going to go to launch settings, and you're going to make sure that the app that the manage automatically is off, and you make sure that you're going to manage the launch settings manually. Make sure that auto launch is enabled. Make sure that secondary launch is enabled. Make sure that run in background is enabled. So that's it.